Hello, my little kids. These are colors. Let's see the color's name. Okay. Green color. Red color. Yellow color. Green color. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Again blue color. Now let's start the video. Here we have the lowercase letter A to Z, and these are some cards of uppercase letters. Match the uppercase with the lowercase. Okay, for letter identification. Letter S. S is for sunflower. Here is the lowercase letter s. Yes, this is. Letter M. M is for mango. Where is lowercase letter m? Yes, this is. Letter G. G for giraffe. Where is the lowercase letter g? Yes. Letter W. W is for watermelon. This is W. This is W. Letter X. X is for Xmas tree. Where is letter X? Yes, this is. Letter D. D is for donkey. Here is lowercase letter d. Yes, this is D. Letter C. C is for car. Where is letter C? This is letter C. Letter P. P is for parrot. Here is letter P. Yes, this is letter P. This is letter P. Yes. Letter B. B is for balloon. Letter B. B is for basket. Where is letter B? A and B. A, B. Letter A. A is for apple. Here is letter A. Where? Yes, this is letter A. Letter T. Where is lowercase letter T? T is for tiger. This is. Look at this T. Letter Q. Q is for queen. Where is you, Q? Where are you, Q? This is Q. Letter Y. Y is for jog. Here is letter Y. This is letter Y. Letter J. J is for jug. Here is letter J. Where? Yes, this is letter J, lowercase, and this is capital. Letter K. K is for kite. Where is letter K? Where? Yes, this is letter K, lowercase, and this is letter K, uppercase. Match it. Letter E. E is for elephant. Where is letter E? Here. This is letter E. This is lowercase and this is uppercase. Match it. Letter R. R is for rainbow. Where is letter R? This is Q and R. Letter U. U is for umbrella. Where is letter U? Where? This is letter U. Letter F. Where is letter F? This is letter F. This is lowercase and this is uppercase. Match it. Letter L. L is for lemon. Where is letter L? Where are you? Here I am. This is letter L. L is for lemon. Match the lowercase letter L with the uppercase. Letter H. Here is letter H. This is letter H. G and H. H is for house. Letter O. O. Where is letter O? This is lowercase and this is uppercase. Look like same. O is for orange. Letter V. Where is letter V? Where is? Here is letter V. V is for van. Okay. Letter Z. Where is letter Z? Where is? Yes. Z is for zebra. Letter I. I is for iron. Where is letter I? Where are you? This is letter I. They have a dot. Letter I. I is for iron. I is for ice cream. And what is this? Letter N. Lowercase letter N. This is last. Okay. This is uppercase letter N. Match the upper and the lower case. Yes. N is for nest. Okay, kids. I hope you will be enjoy. Okay. Goodbye and take care.